how to transfer money from Binance to PayPal or how to send money from Binance to PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send money from Binance to PayPal. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Bitcoin. Now once you open up the Binance, what you want to do is you want to head into the wallet section. Here I'll just be guiding you through, and on the wallet section you'll find the option that says various crypto balances, and under it you'll find your balances. You want to select the Bitcoin option because only that is available to transfer to PayPal. And once you select the Bitcoin option there, BTC, you can see here on the screen, what you want to do is you want to tap on withdraw option, and once you do so, here you can see once you select the Bitcoin you'll get the withdraw option. You want to tap on withdraw, and once you do so it'll ask you for the Bitcoin address. Now next thing what you want to do is, in order to get the address, you want to open up your PayPal application and you'll get the crypto option. You want to tap on the crypto option there, and once you tap on it you'll get a face like this here. If you don't get the crypto option at your home page, you can head into the finances option, and under it you'll find crypto, and you want to select the Bitcoin option. Once you select so, you'll get an option that says send and receive. Simply tap on receive option by sharing your BTC address, and once you tap on receive it'll give you the link or the QR code. All you have to do is copy the particular QR code and paste it there on the Bitcoin application where it asks for Bitcoin address, and once you do so you'll be able to transfer the balance. So this way you can send money from Binance to PayPal. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.